morning and welcome to Lavonne's Kitchen. Today it's early, I'm tired, so I'm ready for some coffee. But you guys know I live in the Sunshine State. It's hot down here, so I don't want any hot coffee. So I'm gonna make some iced coffee, all right? What I did about an hour ago, I made some coffee, and that was when I realized I didn't want hot coffee. So I let it cool off, and I got a secret to show you what I have in my freezer. Let me get it out, and I'll be back. While I'm doing that, you know what I need you to do. That's right, hit that subscribe button. I'll be right back. So I hope you guys watched that tasty tip of the day that I gave you about making iced coffee. I told you guys to take some coffee and freeze it. And that way when you make your iced coffee, you're not getting it all watery, you know, putting ice cubes in there and letting that ice water down your coffee. You still have coffee in your coffee. So look at this. I got a glass. I have my coffee. So here's my coffee that I made and let it sit and cool for about an hour. So we're just gonna pour that in there first. Then I'm gonna put some of our ice cubes in there. Okay, I like mine, you know, flavored. I like sweet stuff. So I'm gonna put me some vanilla cream in mine. Oh, look at that. I'm gonna give it a stir and I'm ready to drink. Now, I could be all fancy and everything and try and put some whipped cream on it and all of that, but I just want me some iced coffee. Look at that. It's cold, it's coffee, and it's creamy. So when you have iced coffee, make sure you got the 3 C's: cold, coffee, creamy, and enjoy. I'll see you guys next time in Lavonne's Kitchen.